The CargoApps platform consists of various interacting modules. The individual modules can be selected either via the dashboard or in the menu on the left. The Mautex is a tool to plan and optimize the route. As a result, you get realistic truck kilometers, driving times, and the amount of tolls incurred. In combination with the clever map functions, it is quick and easy to plan the routes. Quotex combines route planning with vehicle cost calculation in order to determine the quotation price on the basis of our costs and the specific margin. The costs and thus the suggested offer price depends on the drivers and the vehicles. Orders are created from planned routes. The Orders module contains all orders that were either created, allocated, accepted, or won by submitting an offer. All details of the orders can be viewed, adjusted, or deleted in this module. You can also assign orders to your partners and subcontractors. The Fleet module enables the assignment of orders to drivers, communication and document exchange with the drivers, as well as the tracking of vehicles and transports on the map. In the app settings, it is possible to create, customize drivers, vehicles, trailers, subcontractors, and customers. In addition, favorites can be added to simplify and speed up the input of addresses. The settings include the price for fuel, AdBlue, your margin, and weekend surcharges.